Hi, for this video what I want to do is show you a couple of applications of dealing with conversions with the metric system. Alright, so the first one that I have is a boxer weighs 83 kilograms. He is 70 DAG heavier, so remember that 70 DAG means decagrams. Okay, so he's 70 decagrams heavier than his opponent. How much does his opponent weigh in kilograms? So we want to figure out how much the opponent weighs in kilograms, knowing that he is 70 DAG heavier. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to convert the 70 decagrams into kilograms. So in order to do that, we have to go to grams first because that's the easiest thing to do. And then from grams, we would go to kilograms. Okay, and so when we're doing this, we know that there are 10 grams in 1 decagram, and then we know that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So to simplify this, since we are dealing with base 10, I can get rid of 2 of my zeros, and I can just do 7 divided by 10, which is 0.7 kilograms. Okay, so 70 decagrams is equal to 0.7 kilograms. So to figure out how much the opponent weighs, all we have to do is take the boxer's weight of 83 kilograms and subtract the 0.7 kilograms. And that would give us a total of 82.3 kilograms. So the opponent would weigh, so this would be the opponent's weight. All right, so sometimes you have to do a conversion in order to be able to do other operations. All right, so let's look at another one. We have a 2-liter bottle. So a bottle holds 2 liters. And right now, there are 74 centiliters of oil. And there are 5.2 deciliters of water. And we want to know how much more liquid in liters is needed to fill the bottles. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to convert our 74 centiliters to liters. So we're going to divide by centiliters and liters. And we know that there are 100 centiliters in 1 liter. So I would just do 74 divided by 100, which ends up giving us 0.74 liters. So we know that there's 0.74 liters of oil. And then we would do the same thing with our deciliters. So I would have 5.2 deciliters times, and we're going to go deciliters to liters. And we know that there are 10 deciliters in 1 liter. So we have a total of 0.52 liters of water. So then I would just add these two values together. And if I add these together, it gives me 1.26. Okay, so if I add these together, I get 6. 7 plus 5 gives me 1.26 liters total in the container. Okay, so that's not what it asked for. We want to know how much more liquid do we need. Okay, so what we would do is we would do 2 minus 1.26. And so if you need to, you can always plug this into your calculator, or you can just do minus 0.126 and do your borrowing. So if we do that, we would end up with 4.74 liters of liquid is needed to fill the container. Okay, so when you're not working in the same units, it is very important to get everything into the same units in order to work with the numbers. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics that you would like me to cover, please let me know that as well.